Hey guys, this is Cassandra and Sean down at SugarPop's in Mooresville, and this is week 7 of our vlog. Awesome, in case you couldn't count. So, this week we've got this awesome Angry Birds gummy set, and we are going to play a little Angry Birds. I'm going to be the birdies, and Sean gets to be the pig. Excellent.
Nice. So we're going to try to do is catch as many Angry Birds in my mouth, as possible in 1 minute. The over-under is 4, so if you guys think we could do more than 4, bet on us. If you think we could do less than 4, bet on us. Let's try it out.
Excellent.
Ready?
And I get to shoot things at his head.
Yeah, and this is going to be fun.
Great.
So I'm excited.
Do you
Ready?
set the timer?
1 minute, starting now. 1.
That was good. Oh, crap.
2.
Ah!
Oh,
Ah!
misfire. Oh no, you gotta turn it towards me. There we go. Oh! Oh, good catch. 3.
No!
Oh, I hit my right face.
Go, go, go! 1.
4. 5. 6. Oh. 30.
What?
Oh.
I was
20 seconds.
Oh, wow, we're doing good.
Oh.
Sorry. Short.
You're shooting. Turn it this way.
Getting all flustered.
Oh. Oh,
That was a perfect shot. That was your bad.
Oh, right in my nose.
That was over.
One more. 5 seconds. Oh,
Oh,
my
good shot. How many was that?
5
or 6?
5 or 6? I don't know.
Well, we lost count. I'm sure you were counting. So, anyway, we have lots of Angry Birds stuff in the store.
Yeah. We have Angry Birds Pops, Angry Birds Gummies.
So this Monday.
Yeah, this Monday we're going to have 20% off all Angry Birds stuff
Excellent.
from 11 to 6, Monday the 3rd, I think.
Something like that.
Monday the 3rd, June 3rd. Be there. Come and get your Angry Birds.
Peace.